One step that often gets overlooked when you're building a website is resizing your images before you start building. I'm going to show you a quick way to resize all of your images so that your website loads faster and so that clients get the information they need quicker. And that makes a better experience on your website overall. It also helps you rank higher in Google when you have a website that loads fast. So, what we're going to do is hop into preview on an iMac or MacBook Pro, MacBook, Mac system, and we're going to go open all of the images that we want to edit or change the size of. We're going to choose the ones that are all horizontal or landscape orientation. So you can see I kind of have done that here. I'm skipping the ones that are vertical. I'm going to click Command click to click those ones. I'm going to go up to Tools, Adjust Size. And for Showit, we want the long side of the image to be 3,500 pixels and a resolution of 72 pixels per inch. So we're going to go to the width on these since we're in those landscape photos. We're going to set it to 3,500 pixels, 72 resolution, and click OK. And then we're going to go into the verticals or the portrait orientation photos. I have some squares in here as well. And you can do the square ones with either set of photos. We're going to go to Tools again, Adjust Size, and we're going to make the height 3,500 and resolution 72. Click OK. It's going to resize all of those images for us real fast and easy. And then you don't even have to click save or anything. When you exit out of here, the images are saved at that new size. And then the next step is going to be to rename them. And I'll show you that in another video.